Hi, Connor. Mrs. Papatera here. I just wanted to walk you through Spelling City. You can use Spelling City to practice your vocabulary words and your spelling words. This is also where we're going to take our spelling tests at. So I wanted to walk you through your homepage. So I'm logged in as you. Right here, you'll see some assignments. For right now, I'd like you to ignore them, okay? You are on Unit 2, Week 1, and so these are not going to align with what you are doing. Now, to access your lists and your games, you'll go ahead and select this button right here that says Lists and Games. When you select here, these 4 selections will come up, okay? There is Wonders 4th grade, approaching spelling, and Wonders 4th grade vocabulary that I'd like you to pay attention to. There's also 5th grade on here, but please just ignore the 5th grade. Just follow for the 4th grade spelling, 4th grade vocabulary. Now to practice your vocabulary, you can go ahead and click this down arrow, and you're going to need to know the unit and week that you're on. So you are on Unit 2, Week 1. So you'll scroll down and find U2, Week 1, right here, literary lessons. If you click the down arrow, it'll tell you all of your vocabulary words. And you can do a few things. You can view your list, you can print your list, you can study your list. We're not going to test on this list, but if you click here, this will bring you to your games. And you select here, this is all of the games that Spelling City offers. Now for vocabulary, you're not going to necessarily practice how to spell the words, but you are going to practice their meaning. So if you want to filter your games, you select here where it says vocabulary. All of these are going to be great vocabulary words, vocabulary games for you to practice, okay? So each of those are going to be something that you can work on that you can use as one of your vocabulary activities. Now you'll also use spelling on this page. So to access your spelling list, you'll do the same thing. Go ahead to Lists and Games. Go ahead, click these arrows, make them go away. You'll select the Wonders 4th grade approaching spelling. Click this arrow. And again, you're going to need to know your unit and your week. So you're completing Unit 2, Week 1 right now. So we can scroll, Unit 2, Week 1. If you select that down arrow, here is your spelling words for the week. Okay, and you can do a few things. You can view your list, print your list, study your list, test your list, and play games. Okay, you're going to need to know how to use the spelling test and to play the spelling games. Okay, first we'll start with the games because we're going to practice before we test, right? So if you select the games, again, this is all of the vocabulary, these is all the vocabulary and spelling games that Spelling City offers. You're going to want to filter it out and click spelling. And all of these games are going to be great games to practice your spelling with, okay? Now, again, let's look back at how to take our spelling test. So here we are again at 2.1, back on the Lists and Games page, 2.1. You select right here where it says Test. It's going to give you some options. Spelling Test Me, Practice Spelling Test Me, Vocab Test Me, and Practice Vocab Test Me. Now remember, we're going to use this to take our spelling test. So this link right here, titled Spelling Test Me, that's how you'll take your spelling test, okay? If you want to practice your spelling test first, you can do this practice lesson. But this Spelling Test Me, the first link is going to be how you take our spelling test, okay? So to do that, you'll go ahead and click this button. And it'll walk you through.
Ready for the test. Begin. Unblock the clog from the pipe to drain it.
So you should be able to go on here, type your word, click the word to listen, click the sentence, and it will walk you through your test. Okay, so this is the Spelling Test Me. When you're all finished shooting clips, click submit, and then you'll finish the spelling test this week. All right, I'm going to exit out of the spelling test. If you have any questions, you can always please contact me. But that is our Vocabulary Spelling City homepage. All right, thank you.